चालू केला आता.
चालू कर परत. Okay, shall I start now?
या.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Now I am Pushpa teacher. Okay, from Suparitang Municipal English School. Okay. Today we are going to learn you play and do learn activities. Okay. So you have the play and do learn activity. Also, one book is there. English, Maths, play, do learn activity. One another textbook is there. Okay. For the first, second standard, it is play, do, learn, and activity. First 3 units are there. First unit is there play, then second unit is there for do, and third unit is there for the learn. Okay, in this unit we are going to play some playing activities we will do. Okay, now see, before starting our session, I would like to begin with our session with one small prayer. Okay, now all of you please kindly join your hands and close your eyes. Please don't repeat after me. Okay. Om Bhurvasvah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Okay, slowly you have to breathe in and breathe out. Okay, now rub your palms. Okay, then put it in your eyes or your face. Now slowly you have to open your eyes. Okay, now we have to feel very fresh early in the morning. Yes. Okay, now begin with our session. We have to I would like to take some warm-up activities. Okay, so all of you children, do with me. Yes. Now, first activity. See, all of you sit properly. Sit straight. Yes. First, nod your heads up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, children. Now move your shoulder outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then opposite direction, outside the direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Early in the morning, we have to do exercise daily. Okay, to become a good health. Okay, so we fight various diseases against. Okay, so we have to do daily exercise. Now, before starting with your session, okay, I would like to show you. One thing I would like to show you, that we have to now. Tell me, children, which now what is going on outside is there now? Yes, beta. Yes. Now, why you are going to online studies? Why you are not going to outside school? Why you studied at home? Why? Because, yes, very good. Because of the coronavirus is there. Okay, so we are fighting with the coronavirus, okay, COVID-19. So this situation is created. That is why we are going to study inside the home. Okay, and you are going on lectures. You are going on online sessions. Okay, so your lessons are also going on at home. That is why you are not going to outside now. And okay, so you have to fight these diseases. We have to eat good food, healthy food. Okay, so that we can fight the diseases, so many diseases. Okay, not only coronavirus, we have to fight various diseases also. Yeah. Okay, now one thing, whenever you are outside, whenever you are moving, whenever you are touching here and there, okay, so many germs are outside and around surrounding us. Okay, so we are, and coronavirus is also a small germ, we cannot see. Okay, so not only this, only coronavirus is there, so many germs are outside, around, surrounding us. Okay, so we have to touching here and there, some dirt is there. Okay, whenever we are eating anything, so the dirt will also go inside our stomach and our stomach will also pain. Okay, so before that we have to wash our hands properly. Okay, yes. So I will show you some how to wash our hands. Okay, properly by step. Okay, now children, now see, I'm going to show you how to wash our hands. Okay, first of all, children, can you see my screen? Yes. Yes, children. First of all, I would like to I would like to show you how to wash our hands. Okay. First of all, we have to wet our hands. Okay. First of all, we have to wet our hands first. Okay, little bit. Then we have to take a soap. Yes. Then soap. Otherwise, hand wash. I was use hand wash. Okay. I'm using the hand wash. Then you have to rub it properly. When outside the fingers, then inside the fingers. This front, then palm. You have to rub it palm properly. Okay. Then backside. With both the hands. Backside. Then wrist also. This finger you have to. This thumb also. Yes. Then you have to tip of the fingers. Okay, this way you have to rub your hands at least 20 seconds. Okay, now properly. And you have to use plenty of water also. Okay, okay, children. Then dry your hands with the napkin. Yes. Okay, this way you have to wash your hands and dry your hands. So the dirt will also, so dirt will not go inside our stomach. Okay, if you without eating, without washing your hands, so you can eat anything and it will go enter our stomach and our stomach will pain and so many diseases will occur. Okay, so that is why you have to wash our hands properly. Understood, children? Now, okay, this is for the washing our hands, so cleanliness of our hands. Okay, now next is our topic is we are now our main topic is health. Okay, so how to take care of our health. Okay, now tell me, children, have you breakfast today? Yes, have you breakfast today? What mummy has prepared in the breakfast? Yes, some are eating
No, teacher.
pohas, idli. Yes.
No.
No. Okay, no problem. Then what mummy has prepared yesterday in the dinner? Had you dinner yesterday?
Pova.
At the night? Yes. What you ate at yesterday? What mummy has prepared at the night? Yes.
Ladies finger.
In the evening, lady's finger. Yes. What a mummy has prepared yesterday? Lady's finger. And some other children?
Chapati.
Chapati. Very good. Yes.
Rice.
Rice. Very good, children. Okay. So you are eating dal, rice, chapati, lady's finger, sabjis. Okay. All your vegetables eating now? Yes. We have to eat. Yes. Very good. We have to eat vegetables. Yes. Then fruits. Okay, so these are healthy food. We should not eat the unhealthy food. For example, burger and pizza. Okay, we have to not eat these types of food, outside foods. Okay, we have to eat whatever mummy has prepared at home only. Yes, we have to eat these fruits is only. Okay, now one thing I would like now I would like to show you some vegetables. Okay, and fruits. So please, children, you have to tell me which fruit it is there and which vegetable it is there. Okay. Now today our topic is that our diet. Okay. In our diet, mummy has in our diet consists of many varieties of food is there. Fruit, vegetables is there, fruits is there. Yes or no? Chapati is there. Not then we have to drink daily milk also. Yes. Then because of the milk, it consists of calcium. Lot of calcium is there in the milk. Okay. So don't eat outside foods. Whatever mummy has prepared, that only you have to eat it. Okay, children? Now, Now
Okay.
see children, what is this? These
Okay,
are the
teacher.
what is this?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay, what you can see in my hand? Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay, children. Now what you can now you have to I have to show you one vegetables. You have to tell the names of these vegetables. Okay. Now which vegetable in my hand, beta?
Read. Radish.
Radish. What is this in my hand?
Radish.
Radish. Okay. Now what is the color of this radish, beta?
White.
White. Very good. What is the color of this radish? The color of the radish is white. Now
White.
what is in my hand? What is in my hand?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Very good. What is this? This is an cucumber.
Cucumber.
Okay. We can eat this as raw also, and we can eat at the salad also. Okay. For the cucumber salad also, I like to eat salad. Do you like the eat of salad? This cucumber salad?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is this, beta? Which vegetable it is?
Carrot.
Can you tell me? Carrot. Okay. Okay. What is the color of this carrot?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Orange. Okay. We can eat this as salad also, and we can make the halwa. Okay. Do you like the halwa of carrot?
Yes.
Yes. I also like. Very good, children. Now, can you? Do you know what is this, beta? Can you tell me?
Tomato.
Tomato. Very good. What is the color of this tomato? Can you tell me?
Red.
Red. Very good. The tomato has red color. Now, can you tell me what is this?
Potato.
Potato.
Lemon.
See properly. It's a potato. No, it's not a potato. It's a onion is there.
Onion.
Okay, onion. Then can you tell me what is this?
Nimbu.
Lemon. It's a limbu, but it's a lemon is there. Okay, we call it in English is a lemon. Yes. So can you children? Can you tell me what is this, children? It's a beetroot. Yes. What is this? This is a beetroot. Okay. It is very healthy for our body. Okay. So it increases our blood. Okay. Whatever whatever our blood will reduce in our body. So when you eat the beetroot daily, so your immunity power also increase, and your blood level also increase. Okay, if you're eating this beetroot. Okay now, thing. Okay now, children. Now can you tell me what is this? Which vegetable it is? Can you see?
Spinach.
Leafy vegetable is there. Okay, which leafy vegetable is there? It's a spinach. What is there? It's a spinach. Okay, we have to eat the green vegetables also. Yes, for the green, it is good for our eyesight. Okay, it includes our strength of eyesight. Okay, so you can now in the early age. Now children, you are in a early age. You are handling a mobile. Okay, mobile phone. You are using very early age. So you are now, so that is why you have to eat vegetable, green leafy vegetables you have to eat, okay, to increase our growth of our body also, and to increase our immunity power also. We have to eat these leafy vegetables. Now see children, what you can see in this my plate. Okay, these are some fruits are there. What you can see? Fruits are there. Okay. Now tell me children one by one which fruit it is there. Okay. Now tell me children which fruit it is there.
Apple.
Which fruit it is there?
Apple.
Okay, apple. What is the color of this apple, beta?
Red.
Red. The apple has red in color. Okay. If you will add apple a day, you will keep the doctor away. Okay. अगर आप रोज एक एप्पल खाओगे तो डॉक्टर को दूर भगाओगे. Okay. So if you will apple a day, you will keep the doctor away. Very good. Okay, which fruit it is, beta? Can you tell me now? It's a pear. Which fruit it is there? The pear. Okay, what is the color of this pear, beta?
Green.
Green. Very good. This is also one type of fruit is there. Okay. Now, which fruit it is there? Can you tell me which fruit it is there? Yes.
Pomegranate.
There is pomegranate. Which fruit it is there? It's a pomegranate. It is good for health also. Okay. It consists of many fibers. Okay. Then we get fruits from the minerals, vitamins. Okay. Now do you like? Okay.
Banana.
This is your favorite food is there. Which fruit it is there?
Banana.
Banana. It is your favorite food or not? Okay. We
No.
can get banana easily in the market. Yes. Yes. And which is the color of this banana is there?
Yellow.
Yellow. The banana is there and yellow color in my hand. Okay. Now can you tell me which fruit it is there? Custard apple. Which fruit it is there? Custard apple. Okay. Now we have seen about all these fruits and vegetables. Okay, beta. Now children, all these are fruits very important for our body growth. Okay, because we should eat fruits daily. Because of fruits we get vitamins, minerals, fibers, and because of these things our body needed to increase the immunity power. Okay, to fight with the diseases. Now for example, to fight with the coronavirus. Okay, as well as to better development and growth of our body, we have to eat this healthy food. Okay. Now one thing. Now see children, I show you some vegetables and fruits. Okay. But that is not important. We have to, whatever mummy has made at home, dal, rice, then wheat, jawaz, chapati is there. Okay. Your mummy has preparing na at home. So that things also you have to eat this all these things also. Don't eat the outside foods. Okay. Then what we have things, avoid drinking regularly. Okay, you have to avoid drinking regularly. For example, tea, coffee. Okay, whatever tea, coffee, and cold drinks, you have to avoid these things regularly. Don't drink regularly these types of things. Okay, you have to, instead of these things, you have to drink milk, then buttermilk, coconut water. Okay, then lemon juice. Okay, then other fruit juice you can drink instead of these things. Okay, and tell their mummy to also don't drink tea and coffee regularly. Okay, and you also don't drink cold drinks and all these things regularly. Yes, beta. Then
Yes.
avoid eating regularly. Abhi ye ho gaya drinking regularly. Now you have to eating regularly. What things you have to eating regularly? Then outside food is there, vada pav is there, pizza is there, burger is there. So do you like now all these things? Yes. Do you like all these things?
No.
No, we don't have to. We don't have to eat all these things regularly. Okay, once in a week you can eat, but not to eat regularly. Okay, instead of these things, we can eat whatever mummy has made at home, mummy has prepared at home. Okay, these things you have to eat. Yes, mummy has made chapati. Yes, then sabji, bhaji, vegetables, whatever vegetables mummy preparing, so you have to eat that thing. Then dal, rice. Okay, then salad. You have to eat the salad also. Okay, every day in the meal you have to take the salad. For example, salad is there, cucumber salad, the tomato salad, onions, radish. Okay, so these things you have to eat regularly. Then okay, see, avoid drinking regularly tea, coffee, and cold drinks. Okay, you have to not to drink regularly. Okay, children. Instead of this, you can drink then this water, lemon juice, sarbat, milk, buttermilk. Okay, these things you have to eat regularly. Then Then another topic is there. You have to drink a plenty of water. Okay, children. Whenever you whatever your mummy has prepared the fruits. Okay, food and so you are eating all these things because the vegetables are very good for our health. Yes, and one thing, and children, now one thing I would like to tell you that we should finish the food, whatever mommy has serve in our plate. Okay, then we don't waste our food because the farmer has lots of work. They uh, they are doing in the farm. Okay, so whatever foods in our house, their hard work is there. Okay, behind in that there lots of hard work is there, so that is why we have to not to waste the food. Okay, because of the vegetable and fruit we are very important in our daily life and in our daily diet also. Not only it is enough, but also we have to drink a plenty of water, and if it is possible, students, drink the warm water. Okay, children, because nowadays this drinking warm water is very good for the health. Okay, so and whenever we should wash your hands also, and you have to, whenever finish your meal, you have to gargle your mouth thoroughly before and after the meal. Yes beta, all of you understood this much now? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now children, I would like to say one thing now. Healthy food always increase our memory power. Okay, and it also helps to build a strong bone and teeth in protect, and it also protects from many diseases. Yes beta.
Yes.
Yes, now I would like Santosh sir, please share my screen. One PPT is there.
Okay, ma'am. I'll share.
Okay, party fun, please. Okay, now children,
WhatsApp पे भेजे.
PPT. Okay, now children. Okay, have you all see this PPT?
What
Okay,
is
in that, okay, so many things are included. Healthy food is there. Okay, now see this one activity is there. Okay, you have to see. You can see the screen. Now see what you first picture. What you can see in the first picture, egg is there. Okay, so egg is healthy or unhealthy? Okay, I will show you some healthy or unhealthy foods. Okay, so egg
Healthy.
is healthy. Very good. Then next one is see broccoli. Broccoli is there. Okay.
Healthy.
Okay, this is a healthy. Okay, now in this PPT, now see the assignment is there. Okay, so you have to write the, in that here it is healthy or unhealthy is there. Okay, some first picture is there. French fries is there. Okay, potato fries is there. So this is healthy or unhealthy is there.
Unhealthy.
Okay, so you have to write the here unhealthy. Okay, beta. So you have to write here and unhealthy. So UNHEALTH. You write the spelling of unhealthy. Now next picture is what is there, beta?
Banana.
Banana. Okay, banana is healthy or unhealthy? Fruit is there.
Healthy.
Okay, healthy is there. So you have you have to write healthy. Okay, Healthy. You write the spelling of healthy over there. Now next picture is what you can see.
Cheese.
Cheese. So this is cheese is healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. Okay, so you have to write it unhealthy over here. Then next one is, what is this? Next picture.
Chocolate.
Chocolates. Okay, the chocolates is healthy for our body? No.
No. No.
Okay, this is chocolate also unhealthy. Then
Unhealthy.
what you can see in the next picture?
Burger.
Burger. Burger is there. So burger is healthy or
Not.
unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Healthy or unhealthy? So you have to write over there unhealthy. Okay, next verse. What is
Grapes.
grapes? Okay. So grapes is healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy. Healthy.
Very good. So fruits are all healthy. Okay, to our body. Next. What is the next picture?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. Chocolate is healthy for our body?
No.
No, it is not unhealthy to our body. Okay. Now next one is what? What is this? What you can see? What you can see? What you can see, beta? It's a cheese is there. Okay. So cheese is healthy?
Cheese. No.
Healthy? No, cheese is not
No.
healthy. Okay. It's a unhealthy food is there. Okay. Now next one is see. What you can see?
Cake. Give me.
Okay. Soup is there. Okay. Soup. Soup is healthy or unhealthy?
Not.
All types of soup.
Unhealthy.
Soup, whatever mummy has made at home, this is healthy. Okay. And whatever outside is there, so it is unhealthy. Okay. We can make now. Now next one is what? It is a cake. Your birthday cake is there. So it is healthy or unhealthy?
Not.
No.
Not.
Okay. Then
Strawberry.
okay, strawberry is a fruit. So all the fruits are healthy for our body. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next.
Okay.
Picture you can see. Egg. Okay. Egg is healthy.
Egg.
Yes.
No.
Egg is healthy for our body. Yes.
Yes.
We can boil. Then we can make from the egg. We can make omelette. So all these things are healthy for our body. Whatever mummy has prepared at home, all these are healthy. Yes. Then next one is ice cream. Can you see ice cream?
No. No
No?
healthy.
Ah,
No
it is
healthy.
not. Okay, not unhealthy. It is there. Okay, you have to know healthy. Don't say no healthy. It is unhealthy. Yes. Next, what you can see, chicken. Okay, chicken and meat and eggs are healthy for our body. Yes.
Healthy. Yes.
Yes, it is healthy for our body. Okay.
Dude.
Then what is there? Milk. What is there?
Milk.
Milk. Okay, you have to drink daily. You have to drink a milk. Okay, because of the milk we get calcium. Then what is there? Next picture is there. It's a cream bread is there. Okay, cream bread is there, na? So you so this is healthy or unhealthy is there? Unhealthy fruit is there. Okay, this is unhealthy food is there. Okay, so we have to eat healthy food daily. We have to not to eat unhealthy food. Okay, children.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, what you understand from this lesson? We have to eat healthy food daily. Okay. Whatever mummy has made at home. Okay. And whatever mummy has served in our plate, we have to finish all this food. Yes. Don't say like that. I don't like this sabji and I don't like this. Okay. Don't say like that. You have to eat whatever mummy has prepared at home. Yes, beta.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, so students, we have studied about that vegetables and cleanliness of hands. Okay, how to clean our hands. Okay, I show you a step by step how to clean your hands. Okay, so this way you have to clean your hands and tell your parents to also how to clean your hands, how to keep your.
Teacher,
Yes, beta. Any doubt is there?
fruits and
What?
vegetables खाना है.
Yes, we have to eat fruits and vegetables. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fruits and vegetables you have to eat. Whatever. And mummy has prepared at home. Whatever vegetables, whatever food, whatever food has mummy has made at home. That things also you have to eat. Yes. Not outside foods you have to eat. Yes, beta.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you understood that?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt is there? You can ask. Any doubt is there? Yes? Have you understood?
No, teacher. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for children. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Okay. So now our slogan is health is wealth. Okay. If you want a good health, okay, so you have to eat all these fruits and vegetables. Okay. Then
Okay.
sprouted pulses also. Then wheat rice, whatever mummy had made at home, chapatis. Yes. So you have to eat daily. Yes. Then
Okay.
you have to drink milk. Yes. You have to drink milk also daily. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Thank you.